Technology continues to transform the way we live, work, and communicate. Smartphones, laptops, tablets, gaming systems, appliances, and countless connected devices have become essential parts of daily life. However, as innovation moves faster and electronics are replaced more frequently, a growing challenge continues to emerge: electronic waste, also known as e-waste. In this presentation, we will explore how city planning strategies can help create cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable communities through better e-waste management. Electronic waste is increasing rapidly around the world as technology becomes more deeply integrated into everyday life. Consumers and businesses rely heavily on electronics, but these products are often replaced long before they stop functioning. Electronic waste includes smartphones, computers, televisions, batteries, printers, networking devices, gaming systems, and household appliances. As technology evolves, older devices are frequently replaced by faster, more advanced products. One major challenge is the shortening life cycle of electronics. Many consumers upgrade devices because of software limitations, new features, or performance improvements, rather than because products no longer work. This creates larger volumes of discarded electronics entering waste streams every year. Improper disposal creates serious environmental concerns. Electronics often contain hazardous substances that can pollute soil and water when dumped improperly. At the same time, valuable materials such as metals, plastics, and reusable components are lost when products are not responsibly recycled. Because of these growing concerns, cities must begin thinking differently about how electronic waste is managed. One of the most effective ways urban planning can reduce electronic waste is by incorporating e-waste management directly into city infrastructure. Dedicated electronic waste collection points can be strategically placed throughout residential neighborhoods, business districts, and public spaces. When convenient disposal options are available, residents are far more likely to recycle electronics responsibly rather than throw them away improperly. Cities can also integrate e-waste collection into existing waste management systems. Instead of requiring separate, complicated disposal methods, urban planners can create streamlined systems that make electronic recycling easier and more accessible. Centralized processing hubs represent another valuable solution. These facilities can work with municipalities, manufacturers, and licensed recyclers to improve material recovery, streamline processing, and reduce landfill dependency. By integrating smarter infrastructure into urban development, cities can significantly improve electronic waste collection and recovery outcomes. Another powerful strategy for reducing electronic waste is encouraging repair and reuse rather than replacement. Repair centers can serve as valuable community resources where residents bring malfunctioning electronics for affordable repair instead of immediately replacing them. Extending the lifespan of electronics reduces unnecessary waste generation and helps consumers save money. Urban planners can designate accessible areas near shopping districts, libraries, or community centers for repair hubs. Making repair services convenient increases participation and encourages responsible product use. Reuse centers also provide opportunities for refurbished electronics to remain useful instead of being discarded. Many devices still have years of functionality remaining and can be repaired, upgraded, or repurposed. Beyond repairs, these facilities can also serve as education centers where residents learn maintenance tips, sustainable electronics habits, and responsible consumption practices. Promoting repair and reuse creates stronger circular economy systems that reduce overall waste generation. Incentive programs can play a major role in motivating residents and businesses to participate in responsible e-waste management. Trade-in programs provide one effective example. Consumers may receive discounts or rewards when exchanging older electronics for responsible recycling. Programs like these encourage proper disposal while reducing the number of unused devices stored in homes or discarded improperly. Urban planners can support these programs by designating collection areas within commercial districts, shopping centers, and retail zones where residents can conveniently drop off unwanted electronics. Businesses can also benefit from sustainability incentives. Cities may offer tax benefits or financial support for organizations that use refurbished electronics or actively participate in waste reduction programs. These incentives help turn sustainability into a community-wide effort by encouraging stronger public participation and creating long-term behavioral change. Urban planning is not only about physical infrastructure, it also intersects with policy and regulation. Cities can encourage manufacturers to design electronics that are easier to repair, refurbish, and recycle. Products built with sustainability in mind last longer and reduce unnecessary waste generation. Local governments may establish regulations requiring more repairable electronics or encourage manufacturers to reduce wasteful product designs. Policies supporting recyclable materials and modular product components can help improve long-term sustainability. Zoning laws can also support sustainability goals. Urban planners may prioritize businesses focused on refurbishing electronics, repairing devices, or recycling materials responsibly. These strategies support circular economy principles, where materials stay in use longer and waste is minimized through smarter product life cycles. As cities become more technologically advanced, smart systems are creating exciting new opportunities for electronic waste management. Smart waste bins equipped with sensors may automatically identify and categorize electronic waste, improving collection efficiency while reducing contamination. Mobile applications can also improve accessibility by helping residents locate nearby drop-off locations, monitor recycling progress, and receive reminders for disposal opportunities. Blockchain technology represents another promising innovation. By tracking electronics from manufacturing through disposal, blockchain systems can improve transparency, accountability, and responsible recycling practices. Data-driven systems also help cities make smarter decisions about waste collection, resource allocation, and environmental planning. Technology is helping urban planners create smarter, more responsive cities that support sustainability goals. No urban planning strategy can succeed without strong community involvement. Education is one of the most important tools in reducing electronic waste. Many people simply do not understand the environmental impact of improper electronics disposal or know where to recycle devices properly. Cities can invest in public awareness campaigns that educate residents about recycling opportunities, repair programs, and sustainable electronics consumption habits. Schools, libraries, and community centers can serve as educational hubs where residents learn about responsible waste management. Community events such as e-waste collection drives, sustainability expos, and repair fairs also encourage participation while increasing public awareness. When communities become actively involved, long-term behavior change becomes much more achievable. Smarter urban planning provides many important benefits when it comes to reducing electronic waste. Better infrastructure improves convenience, making it easier for residents to recycle responsibly. Increased accessibility often leads to stronger participation rates and better recovery outcomes. Environmental benefits are also significant. Improved disposal systems help reduce landfill dependency, minimize pollution risks, and conserve valuable natural resources. Communities benefit from stronger public participation and greater awareness of sustainable practices. Businesses, municipalities, and licensed recyclers can also work together more effectively to improve electronics processing and recovery. Most importantly, smarter planning helps create cities that are better prepared to manage future waste challenges. Although urban planning offers enormous potential, challenges still remain. Building collection centers, repair hubs, and advanced infrastructure often requires significant investment. Cities may need partnerships with businesses and recycling organizations to support long-term funding. Technology adoption may also vary between communities. Some regions may adapt quickly to smart waste systems, while others require additional education and infrastructure development. Policy and regulation remain equally important. Governments must continue developing strategies that encourage sustainability while supporting responsible recycling efforts. Despite these challenges, the future remains promising. Continued innovation, stronger partnerships, and smarter city planning will continue creating opportunities for cleaner and more sustainable communities. Urban planning will increasingly play an important role in shaping how electronic waste is managed. Urban planning has the power to shape healthier, cleaner, and more sustainable communities. Through smarter infrastructure, repair and reuse programs, stronger public engagement, and technology-driven waste systems, cities can dramatically reduce electronic waste generation. Communities that embrace sustainability become better prepared for the future while protecting valuable resources and reducing environmental harm. Businesses, municipalities, residents, and licensed recyclers all play an important role in building smarter waste systems that support long-term environmental responsibility. The future of e-waste reduction depends not only on recycling more, but also on planning smarter. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about how urban planning can reduce electronic waste. Through smarter city design, stronger infrastructure, repair initiatives, and community engagement, cities can create more sustainable systems for managing discarded electronics. If you would like to learn more about responsible electronics recycling solutions, contact us today. Smarter City Planning Today helps create a cleaner, more sustainable tomorrow for electronic waste management.